We set a record, so will it be record heat again, I wonder?
We did. So tomorrow, I don't think we're going to be setting a new record because that record high is a little bit higher. But today, yes, we set a record high temperature. The record previously was 97 degrees. That was set back in 1947. Today, we made it to 98.
Wow, blew it out.
Wow. Record-breaking heat for today. Now, the heat index right now, it's still feeling like 110 to 120 for most locations across the area. Actual air temperatures are sitting in the mid to upper 90s, but our dew point temperatures are so high today. They're in the 70s and 80s. We actually had an 80-degree dew point at O'Hare today for the first time since 1999. So that goes to show you that this type of humidity that we're dealing with today, that's making it feel so hot, we don't deal with that too often here, at least not to this degree. So your heat index over the next 12 hours or so, we're likely seeing our heat index as high as about 100 through at least about 9 p.m. and then we just slowly drop through the 90s, and then eventually we'll feel like 80 degrees toward daybreak tomorrow. But that's your low temperature for tonight, is 80 degrees. So we're not going to find much relief from that heat even after the sun goes down tonight. Then tomorrow we're right back at it. Upper 90s expected. We'll have those heat index temperatures as high as 110 to 120 again tomorrow afternoon. And then finally we see some relief. So there's going to be a cold front that passes through Thursday evening that may touch off a couple showers or thunderstorms, but we're going to notice a difference as we go into Friday. Mid 80s expected, and then we have another cold front moving through Friday night, and that's going to usher in 70-degree temperatures for us for this upcoming weekend. So let's talk about this extreme heat and why we're having it. We have an upper-level high-pressure system that's really all across the central United States, and you have sinking air, so that's warming the temperatures. So all across the central United States dealing with that excessive heat warning in place, and that goes for us as well until 8 p.m. tomorrow. Again, tomorrow is going to be just as hot as today. So Futurecast, let's walk you through the sky conditions here. We do have a frontal boundary that's further off to our north. That's going to stay to our north tonight. So we're just looking at mostly clear to partly cloudy conditions. And then during most of the daytime hours of tomorrow, things stay dry. But as this frontal boundary begins to sink to the south, I have the clock stopped here around 6 or 7 p.m. We should start to see at least a couple pop-up showers and thunderstorms during the evening hours. And if we are able to get some of those storms going, they will have the potential to bring damaging wind gusts, maybe some hail. So we'll have to watch those very closely. And then looking ahead to Friday, we're going to see another frontal boundary that's approaching the area. That could potentially touch off a couple stray showers or storms. I think the best chance of that will be here Friday night. For tonight, 80 degrees. We'll have 10 to 20 mile per hour winds. Keep in mind, it stays very hot all day tomorrow, too. 99 degrees. We have a chance of storms in the evening. 85 on Friday, partly cloudy. This weekend looks great. We are getting some nice relief from that heat. Mid to upper 70s both Saturday and Sunday.